In this video, I will show you how to prevent others from reposting or using your content on Instagram. So first, click on Instagram, then go to your profile at the lower right, then click at the top right, the settings here. Then you have to scroll down till you see how others interact with you, and then click on sharing and reuse. And then first thing you want to do is disable reposts on posts and reels. You could also disable posts and reels to stories. And then if you want to not allow people to create or reuse your content, you could also disable these options as well. And you could also look at other options that you think you don't want to have enabled, like for this one, for example. And that's pretty much it. This will not allow others to repost or use your content without your permission. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.